Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view the full app list in Windows 11. So let's say if you guys having trouble finding all your installed apps in Windows 11. So through this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily access the full app list so you can find, manage, and launch your programs with ease. So what you need to do in here is just go to the start menu. So click on this Windows button, and here under the pin beside the pin there will be this all button that you can click. So when you click on that, you'll see the list of apps installed on your Windows 11 short by the alphabet. So you can just choose which one or which apps that you want to manage, and you can launch it by double click on the app from here. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, subscribe, and also you can leave a comment if you still have question. Don't forget to also click on the thanks button. Bye.